Okay, Mom. Well, these birds are pretty friendly around here. So, we were feeding them. Put more bread down there. Hurry up. Right here. No, you gotta put closer to me.
No.
Watch. Ready, Mom?
Watch.
It's funny. They think it's funny. Alright, there's the bread. Right there. And there's the bird. Watch this. Ready? There's probably a law against this, I bet. Like, look, Mom, they could get. I almost got hit by a bird actually. Over right in this area. I almost got hit by a bird. Oh, mommy. Sailboats. Ready? That would never get old. I'd come down here and sit here for days and just go, ah! Uh-oh. Look at Peter the pigeon.
Oh my God, they're like
All right, just stop feeding them and they won't stop. Stop.
No. Yeah. You quit feeding them.
Someone needs to quit.
Yeah, you are.
Someone needs to quit feeding him.
That was rude. I was gonna eat that.
Well, I'm eating it now.
Are you recording?
Yep.